Matagal pinaghandaan, hinintay at inabangan ng marami, lalo na ng 18 fandom ang Di Ko Masabi music video. One of the members of the very well-known P-pop group SB19 and The Voice Kids coach Stel Ahero has released his solo debut Room on August 2. Isa nga sa parte nito ang romantic o ballad song na Di Ko Masabi. And now, Stel alongside actors Noor Hushmand showed their effective and natural acting sa panibagong music video na inilabas nitong August 17. This song was composed by Sir Ryan Cayabyab and produced by Marlon Barnuevo. Nag-trending nga agad ito pagkalabas ng music video, trending din sa iba't ibang social media platforms ang Di Ko Masabi, gaya ng X o formerly Twitter and hashtag na tunay kong nadarama. Habang sa Facebook post naman ay marami din ang natuwa at napakoments matapos maluha, maiyak at matouch sa music video. Ilan nga sa mga post ng fans ay grabe naman MV ni Stel. Naiyak talaga ako pero kinilig. Sobrang natural ng acting nila. Super galing. Inulan din ng congratulations ang music video post. Congratulations Stel. Best Actor Award goes to you. You capture our hearts and makes us emotional, beautiful love story. We love that it's a happy ending. Also, kudos to Noor, she's a beauty. Amazing MV. Your acting is so effective that I can feel the desperation, fear of rejection, pain, frustration, love, and relief. Your eyes are enough to make us feel all the feelings. Another masterpiece. Congratulations, Stel. Congratulations also to Noor and to the whole team of DKM. Habang sa YouTube naman, world-class vocals, overflowing talent. He is like a water that feeds all modes. Congrats, Stel. May God watch over you and your SB19 brothers' journey. I love you, Stel. Galing mo sobra. You made me cry. Galing ng song and video mo. God bless you forever. Patuloy na namamayagpag ang grupong SB19 and even their solo songs are patok na patok sa mga fans. At isang solo song na naman nga mula sa nag-iisang Stel Ahero ang pumukaw sa atensyon ng marami. Baka nga raw ito na ang maging sign mo para bigyan ng lollipop si crush at para umamin. Ito ang ating latest updates. Bago ka magbigay ng lollipop, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news.